Hello everyone. This is Dr. Jyoti D. Gulwani with Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. We have started with deposit product. Deposit is what whenever you submit your amount into bank, it become deposit for the bank. And for bank, it becomes the liability because bank has to repay it back. And it become an you can say that your savings also. Now there are two kinds of deposit. Number one is term deposit, number two is demand deposit. There are two types of term deposit, as we know that fix or recurring deposit, and current and saving deposit for demand deposit. We have seen also why do I need to maintain deposits at the bank. बैंक में डिपॉजिट हमें क्यों रखनी होती है. सो इन दैट वी हैव सीन दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द ईजी एक्सेस ऑफ द मनी, पैसा जल्दी से ट्रांजेक्शन हो सकता है उसके लिए. दैन फॉर ईजी रिटर्न ऑन द बैंक रिटर्न ऑन द बैंक अकाउंट्स वट एवर मनी यू आर डिपॉजिटिंग इन टू द बैंक ऑन विच you are earning the income, and it incalculates the habit of saving. That means it increase our habit of saving also. For this purpose we are maintaining deposit at the bank. In that we have started with point number 1, that is the fixed deposit. While you are keeping fixed deposit, it is a type of our term deposit. Term deposit, that is for a fixed time period we are maintaining certain deposit with the bank. So when we are depositing fixed deposit, at that time we have to keep in mind these 3 points. Under that, number 1, spread your investment. That means whenever you are having excess of cash or huge money more than 1 lakh, at that time do your investment into different accounts or do your fixed deposit into the different banks. Then premature withdrawals will attract penalty. That means if you are going to withdraw earlier in comparison of your time period, then you are going to have the penalty on it, that is charges on it, and interest on is clubbed in your income. That is whatever income you are going to earn through fixed deposit, it is added into your income on which you have to pay the tax. So before keeping your fixed deposit, you have to keep in mind this all 3 points. Now going further with recurring deposit. What is recurring deposit? Recurring deposits are an investment tool which allows investor to make regular monthly payments and save money for the longer period of time. Investor can choose the tenure, that is the time period of the deposit, and the minimum monthly payment they wish to make according to their conveniency. These recurring deposit schemes are generally more flexible in comparison of the fixed deposit schemes and are generally preferred by those who want to start an account for the purpose of saving money and building a rainy day fund. Means ये रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट में आपको चूज़ करना है कि मंथली आप कितना पे करोगे. सपोज आपने रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट खुलवाया इनटू द बैंक. नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड दैट मंथली यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विद 500 और 1000 और 1500 और 2000, और you can start with 50 rupees also. Minimum amount you can start with the 50 rupees. मतलब हर महीने आप इतने पैसे ये अकाउंट में भरोगे तो आपके पैसे इसमें जमा होते जाएंगे और उसके ऊपर आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता जाता है. सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली यू कैन से दैट सेविंग ऑफ द मनी एंड इट इज़ मोर फ्लेक्सिबल इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ द फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट स्कीम. उससे ज़्यादा ये अच्छा है और फ्लेक्सिबल भी है. एक्चुअली रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स आर मेनली फॉर द शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स. जिन लोगों को शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड में पैसा चाहिए होता है वो लोग इसको ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. दिस रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स आर द आइडियल प्रोडक्ट्स टू ऑप्ट व्हेन प्लानिंग शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स व्हेन यू विश टू रियलाइज इन द नेक्स्ट 1 to 3 years. आपको थोड़े टाइम पीरियड में, शॉर्ट पीरियड में 1 से 3 साल के बीच में चाहिए तो यू कैन गो विद दिस रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट. दिस मे इंक्लूड सेविंग फॉर अ डाउन पेमेंट ऑफ, आपको ये कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए सेविंग करवाता है, तो यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर द डाउन पेमेंट ऑफ न्यू होम, पेइंग फॉर योर चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन, रिनोवेटिंग योर न्यू होम, सेविंग फॉर अ डिग्री, एंड व्हेन you want to go abroad. For this kind of purpose you can open your recurring deposit. But at the time of opening this recurring deposit, you have to just remember the rules and penalties also which are imposed on the recurring deposit. These recurring deposits are very easy to open. Most of the bank in our country have this facility, but they do come with some hidden charges also. For example, if you were to withdraw the amount in the RD account before the maturity period finishes, you may have to pay certain charges, and it is important to know these rules before you start your recurring deposit account, so you can be better prepared for the future. आपको अगर इन बिटवीन कोई भी ड्यूरेशन में पैसा विड्रॉ करना है तो उसके ऊपर पेनल्टीज एंड चार्जेस भी हैं. तो दिस अकाउंट इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी इजी टू ओपन. मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट आप फिक्स कर दो कि इतने से आप अकाउंट खोलोगे, हर महीने इतना अकाउंट में पैसा डालोगे, बट सर्टेन चार्जेस आर ऑल्सो देयर इफ़ यू आर विड्रॉइंग इट बिफोर द टाइम पीरियड विच यू हैव मेंशन while opening the account. So this is again our term deposit which is fixed for certain time period. Now moving to the demand deposit, that means whenever we demand we can withdraw the money. Under that there are two types as we have seen, current account and saving account. So firstly moving with the current account. A current account is a type of bank account which allows the user to carry out significantly higher number of transaction. Whenever you want to do higher number of transaction, at that time you can open this current account. But the money in the account is always available for the immediate access. That means at any time in the duration of banking hours you can access your money, and it is usually mainly operated by business individuals, proprietors, public and private companies, associations, trust, who have actually main reasons to make frequent and high volume of the transaction with the bank. That means repeatedly frequently जिनको ज़्यादा ट्रांजेक्शन करने होते हैं वो लोग ये अकाउंट ओपन करवाते हैं. एनी टाइम यू कैन डिपॉजिट द अमाउंट, एनी टाइम यू कैन विड्रॉ द अमाउंट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर बैंक अकाउंट. कौन खोलता है इसको? बिजनेस इंडिविजुअल्स, प्रोप्राइटरी कंसर्न्स, पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट कंपनीज, एसोसिएशंस, ट्रस्ट एक्सेट्रा. Those who have main use of frequent cash, they are opening this current account. Then next one is saving account. Number 4, again this is a demand deposit type of account. Now here I will explain in brief only. Short में हम सब सारी चीज़ें सीखेंगे क्योंकि इसकी डिटेल्स अभी required नहीं है. So in saving account, a saving account is like a bank vault in which you store your hard earned money. आप इसमें अपना पैसा स्टोर रखते हो. Unlike a current account, a saving account does not allow unlimited transaction and has no overdraft facility. और unlimited transaction है, it is only possible in the current account. Here you can't do unlimited transaction, as well as here you are not provided with the overdraft facility. There are different types of saving account that can be opened depending on the customer's need. अलग अलग टाइप के अकाउंट है, वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है? ऑन द कस्टमर नीड ओनली. सो लेट अस सी द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट. Under that, number 1 is regular saving account. These are the easiest to open. Such accounts do not see huge transaction and are mostly safe for storing your excess cash. सबसे easy है regular saving account खुलवाना, but इसमें आप current account की तरह highest transaction नहीं कर सकते हो. Only if you have excess money you can go with this regular saving account. Then salary based saving account. These are the mainly opened by the corporations, and corporations are mainly doing tie-up with the banks to help their employees open a salaried account. कंपनी अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए बैंक अकाउंट खुलवाती हैं और अलग अलग बैंक के साथ उनका टाई अप भी होता है. दिस हेल्प्स द कंपनी as the task of disbursing the monthly salaries become easier. जब वो सैलरी अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो ईजिली इसमें से डिसबर्स हो सकता है. इसके लिए वो लोग एक ही बैंक में सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ का सैलरी अकाउंट ओपन करवाते हैं. Next is saving account for senior citizen. Now who are senior citizen? Those who are having age above 60 years. So these accounts are created exclusively for the senior citizen with a certain added privilege and benefits. जिनकी उम्र 60 साल से ऊपर है उन लोगों के लिए ये अकाउंट मेनली खुलवाते हैं with the certain extra benefits in comparison of the common bank accounts. Next is saving account for children and minors. These accounts are actually created exclusively for children and the minors under the guardianship of their parents. माइनर्स कौन होते हैं? दोज हु आर हैविंग एज लेस देन 18 ईयर्स. तो उन लोगों का अकाउंट खुलता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स. देयर पेरेंट्स बिकम देयर गार्डियंस एंड दे ऑपरेट द फुल अकाउंट फॉर देयर चिल्ड्रंस. So this kind of account also can be open. Who are the minors? You know it very well. We have understood it in the types of customer. So if you want to understand it into deep, then you can go with the minors in the types of customer. Then next one is exclusive benefits accounts for women. As the name suggests, this is an account exclusively for female customer and entrepreneurs. It is a relatively a new offering from some banks and comes with the added benefits. सिर्फ फीमेल के लिए ही खोला जाता है और बहुत सारी बैंक है अभी ये टाइप का अकाउंट ओपन करती है only for the women, and for that they are giving again certain special benefits. Zero balance saving account. Next, zero balance, that means, see, as we have discussed, if you want to open a bank account you have to keep certain minimum balance. But this is a type of account where you are not needed to keep your balance in it. आपका पैसा खाली भी हो जाता है तो भी आपको इसमें कोई भी पैसा रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But if your accounts are open with certain balances, then there is a need to keep the minimum balance. अगर वो minimum balance नहीं रखते हैं तो बैंक is charging certain charges on it. So zero balance saving account is an account where there is no need to keep balance into the bank account. Next is linked saving account. A linked account is one which is linked to either a given checking account or negotiable order of withdrawal. Means here your transactions are if conducted in your account. आपके transaction आपके account में हो रहे हैं and if you or your manager want to check your transaction, then it can be linked with another account also. तो linked account, that means whatever transactions are conducted in one account can be seen from the another account also. उसको link करना पड़ता है. That is a link saving account. Last one is post office saving account. That means it can be only open in the post office. It's a type of saving account but can be open in a post office only. These other above accounts are open into bank only, but the last one is only can be open into the post office. So these are the types of saving account where transaction can be conducted lesser. So briefing all the things again, deposits are the money which is deposited by you as a customer into the bank. Term deposit, which is for a certain fixed period of time. Under that there are two types, fixed and recurring. Demand deposits are which is which can be you can say that these are the deposits which can be withdrawal at the time of demand. Two types are there, current and saving. You have to open deposits into the bank for easy access of money, for earn returns on the bank, and to increase the habit of saving. In that we have learned fixed deposit. When you are keeping money for a certain fixed time period, at that time keep in your mind, spread your investment, and if you are withdrawing before your time period, then it attracts penalty, and whatever income is generated on your FD is chargeable in the tax. Recurring deposit, that is for a fixed time period you are opening a account where monthly you are doing certain savings, but if you are again withdrawing before your time, certain penalties and certain charges are there. Current account, that is for huge transaction you can open this account. Mainly it is opened by individuals, public and private companies, association, trust, etc. Saving account, here it is not like your current account, limited transaction will be there, but different kind of saving accounts can be open. That is regular saving account for you can say that regular transaction, or to store your excess cash. Salary based account, mainly opened by companies for their employees to provide salary. Saving account for senior citizen, people who are having age above than 60, they can open this senior citizen account into the bank with certain benefits. Minors account, that is people who are having age less than 18 years can open bank account with the guardianship of their parents. Accounts for women, again it is only open for the women with certain benefits. Zero balance saving account, your bank account can be open where you can minimum keep your zero balance. Linked saving account, whatever transactions are conducted in one account can be seen with the another account which is linked with the account. And post office saving account can be open only into the post office. So here we are concluding with the types of deposit. In the next video we will go with the next question. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.